We are about to make a wonderful paper aeroplane. We have a nice piece of A4 paper, and the first thing we do is have a nice fold across the bottom, because did I have two bits of paper? No, I haven't. I've only got one bit of paper, right? And then once we've got a nice sharp crease in that, we're going to tear that bit off very, very carefully. Right? And we'll just put that aside. Now, we take a bit of paper with the torn bit at the bottom, and we fold it over corner to corner very neatly for a nice sharp point there, and then we press that really hard to make a nice crease. Keep watching. Then we turn it over and we do the other corner, and we have a nice sharp corner up there, these two sides right next to each other, and another really hard crease, right? And then we open it up and we take the two sides and we press them in, press gently down until we can make these sides all fit together just like that. Okay? Now it starts to get a wee bit complicated. We take this corner and we fold it up neatly to the front, and we press that very hard. Then we take the other corner and we press it up to the front, and we press that really hard. Okay? Now we turn it this way and we take this point and we fold that over like that. See what we've done? We've folded that over to there. And we do the same on the other side. We fold that over to there. We've got a nice point there. Okay. Keep watching. Now we take the other corner and we do the same. Right. Okay. So we've got and then we take these two folds and we press them together to make a nice point in the middle, which goes there. Still watching? Are they on there? And we turn it around and we do the same here. We squeeze these two edges together so we get a nice point in the middle, and we fold that down. Right? And then we go back to this piece of paper here. Right? And we fold a corner over there and the other corner there to make a point. And then we take the pointy bit and we push it in there, and we're trying to get that wee pointy bit to go right to there. Right? And we try to get it as near the middle as possible. Okay? And once we've done that, we hold it tightly at the top, turn it over, it's got a wee bit squinty, right? And fold that down there. Right? Then all we have to do is turn it over again and fold these bits together like that. And if we just hold it there gently and give it a wee press so the wings are sticking out, we've got an aeroplane. Right, and press stop.